Hello students, this is Govind sir, and today we are discussing about the interfacing that is remaining in the previous video, interfacing of microcontroller with the other devices. Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed the basics of microcontroller and the design concept, architecture and the specification of each pin of microcontroller. Now let's with the interfacing of microcontroller. Now first one is 5 volt power supply to the microcontroller. So it is clear in this video that is there a transformer and we have 200 to 220 volt power supply, and it is rectified with a bridge rectifier, and then we have a micro, this is voltage regulator IC 7805, that is voltage regulator IC, and it is positive voltage regulator IC, and it provides a fixed voltage that is of 5 volt because it mentions 7805. The last two digit will show the output of this IC. So it provides the constant voltage to the output, and these are these capacitors are used to overcome the fluctuation in the or block the TC to move down the earth. Okay, and we have VCC supply which is connected to the microcontroller. First terminal is connected to the VCC, that is pin number 40 of microcontroller. It is very clear when we have discussed about the each pin specification in the previous video, and this supply is connected to the VCC, and another is connected to the reset pin with a reset button. Okay, so we have two connection of VCC. First one is pin number on pin number 14, which is VCC, and second one is for reset button. Okay, so this is the interfacing of power supply, 5 volt power supply with microcontroller. Now we have switch interfacing. Very simple. A push button is connected to a microcontroller. Push button is means when we push then the circuit will complete. So this is push button, and it is connected to the controller pin. It may be any pin on the microcontroller, and the VCC is also connected to the this connection, and if we push the supply, if we push if we push the button, then this flow will be occur. So this is basic switch interfacing of push button. It is also clear from this diagram. Clear? Here also we are using push button for resetting. So this is, there is push button, and the register is also used in the interfacing of push button. Clear? Now LED interfacing. There are two types of LED interfacing. If we want to glow the LED from the microcontroller, then it will be connected positive terminal to microcontroller and negative terminal to ground. And if we want to glow from VCC, then the positive terminal is connected to VCC and negative terminal is connected to microcontroller pin. So here LED will get the input from the microcontroller pin, whereas in this combination, in this interfacing, we have input for this LED from this power supply. Clear? So in the first diagram we are not using VCC supply for glowing the LED. Clear? So very simple LED interfacing with microcontroller. Now another is 7-segment interfacing. What is 7-segment interfacing? We have a 7-segment display in which we have 7 segments, and these segments are different LEDs named as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and G. Okay, so these are 7 segments which are individual LEDs which is connected to the microcontroller, and it is very clear then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In this sequence, it is connected to the pin numbers 21 to 28. Okay, DP is decimal point, which is shown also in the LED, 7 segment display, and with a specific register, it can be used with microcontroller, or can say it can be interfaced with the microcontroller 8051. So very simple interfacing of 7 segment display is shown in the figure. Now we have another one is LCD interfacing. This is the LCD arrangement for microcontroller, and there are lot of number of pins in the LCD also. The data bits are D0 to D7, that is 8 data bits, and which are connected to pin of microcontroller from 21 to 28. Okay, and there is enable bit, read write bit, and the register select bit of LCD. Clear? And there are supply VDD, VEE, and VSS. These are the power supplies. So very simple interfacing with the LCD is shown in figure. You can say here read write is connected to read write transmitter and receiver. Register select enable is connected to transmitter, and register select is connected to read read receiving data. Okay, and read write is connected to with a register to the voltage supply. So all the connections are made with a specific pin of microcontroller. So this is the interfacing of LCD with microcontroller. Now we have relay interfacing, in which relay we have normally open and normally closed connections. So these are the normally open connections. Okay, when we provide a signal from microcontroller, this is connected to a relay with a transistor also, and if the relay get the signal, then this connection will move to the this terminal, and the supply and the circuit will be complete, and the bulb will glow. So this is a relay interfacing which is connected to the microcontroller board. So on a specific pin we will connect to the relay, and we will get the function of relay on the basis of instructions given by controller. Clear? Now we have another ADC interfacing. What is ADC? ADC is analog to digital converter. It is analog to digital converter. So we have number of pins also in ADC. D0 to D7, that is data pins, and similarly add A, B, C are different pins, and it is a ALE, that is address latch enable, which is connected to P2 terminal. These are the port P2, and this is for port P1. Okay, and this is output enable of ADC, and clock pulse is also given to ADC. So this is the, in this diagram we can see the ADC, that is address analog to digital converter pin. We have input ports, input terminals. Okay, and we can add A and B and C, and different data bits also. D0 to D7 as shown in this figure. And similarly we have some clock pulse, VCC, V reference volt, ground. Okay, so this is all about the ADC interfacing with microcontroller. So in this video we just complete the ADC interfacing of different devices with microcontroller. Okay, in the next video we will discuss the remaining topic of unit 4th. Okay, thank you.